All right, guys, what's happening? Just wrapped up some cleanings for today. It is July 3rd. Tomorrow's July 4th. I'm going to head out for a week-long vacation. But I want to make a video about, it's twofold. This is going to be me documenting, kind of time-stamping for myself, but also kind of an introduction of the type of videos that I want to keep making. But essentially, I've got a business that kind of lives around the 100K mark, and I want to make a goal over the next 3 to 5 years to see if I can build it to be $1 million business. Let me grab a stool and we'll keep talking. All right, so a couple reasons for that is I've had my business for 3.5 years full time. October will be the 4-year mark, so more than 3.5 years. Business is 3 parts. It's window cleaning, pressure washing, custom Christmas lights. And basically I just kind of found overall, like I've been comfortable. I'm in a comfortable spot. I'm a solo owner operator and do most of the work myself and kind of realized, okay, I'm in a comfortable spot. I'm ready for another challenge and I wanna see if I can do this. And so part of it was, if you are familiar with my channel, you've watched my videos before, I've teetered on the line of like, man, do I just kind of run my business as it is, or do I grow a big business? And there's moments where I've gone back and forth. And I'd say over the last year, I've seen some positive growth and I've enjoyed making YouTube videos and just kind of realized, man, like I want to see what I can do. And then there's this quote from Jim Rohn. He was like a motivational sales speaker guy in the 80s. But basically him, as he grew up, his mentor said, hey, why don't you pick the challenge of making $1 million and seeing if you can do it. And it's not about the money, it's about who you become on the journey. The discipline and the fortitude, the endurance and the character that it takes to win in all areas of your life, not just financially, but also financially that being a reward, right? So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm gonna talk about the 3 things that I'm about to really double down on to get this journey started. Yeah, so hopefully it can be encouraging and also something where you're like, hey, I wanna kind of follow along on this journey. So let's get into the 3 things that I am going to really start to focus on for the next 6 months of my business. It's starting to rain on me here, so maybe I'll film from my garage. Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to continue to double down on my CRM, my customer relation management software. I use Jobber, which this is going to be my plug for Jobber because I'm a brand ambassador for them. But that's only because I've used them for the last year, truly believed in them, and then I was creating content, and Jobber reached out a couple months ago and said, hey, we'd love for you to be ambassador. It's a win-win for both of us because for me, I get to promote Jobber and have an affiliate link that you can use for 14 days free, and then a huge discount to start off your relationship with them. But I'm just gonna talk to you about them in the ways that I actually use them and like them because it's gonna be something I really lean into to help scale my business from that 100K to $1 million goal, right? Number 1 is I absolutely love how seamless it is for my incoming leads to fill out a form that notifies me to set them up with a quote. I go out there, I quote it through Jobber, I send the quote to them, it's branded with all of my stuff, right? And then they can either confirm, deny, or ask questions about the quote. So it makes it super simple. Once they then accept it and they say, yes, like come, we want you to come, they confirm it, all I have to do is hit convert to job, and then I schedule it, and I can assign it to either myself or if I had employees, right? And so it's something that is really seamless. There's no friction involved when it comes to communicating with your customers. That's what I love about it. I have all my things line itemed, and so it's so easy for me to go in, set, hey, it's 14 windows, large windows. It already has the number, the cost amount for that I set in ahead of time in the template. And so like, I just love it that way. Also, it's great for your email marketing to all of your customers. And so that way you can just keep your customers up to date about you. You can just constantly have some brand awareness when it comes to your business. And then super great, which is a question I get all the time, is how do I collect payments and make it professional? That's where I collect all my payments. So if it's not check or cash, they go ahead and pay right in there in Jobber. All my recurring customers, I get them to put in their information, and so their card is saved on file. So then you talk about no friction for your customers. It's super great, right? If they're a recurring customer that's every 3 months or monthly or whatever, it's scheduled, automatically scheduled. It texts them the day before, letting them know that I'm coming, just as a reminder. I go out there, I clean their house or their business, and then I can literally hit charge and because their card's on file, hit charge, and I'm paid. It's over. So that's something that I love about it. They also have maps that you can use. I use that a lot, and you can clock in and out. So there's just so many great things about Jobber, and I'm going to continue to use it to maximize that. And I'm going to touch on it more when I get to my second point, because it's going to be a big piece of helping me scale my business. So that's Jobber. Check out my affiliate link if you want to give it a try for free for 14 days. Second point is, and I've got comments about this, and I've talked about it and had some pride around the fact that, hey, I'm solo owner operator, I do all the work myself, but I realized to scale from that $100,000 million range, I've got to hire, I've got to delegate, I've got to get off the glass myself. And so I am starting to hire. I brought on a guy who's super helpful and has picked up the skill really fast for pressure washing, window cleaning. He knows how to do Christmas lights, and so that's pretty exciting. I've seen the rewards of it. I see that he is someone that works really hard, respects the business, is really good sociably. I haven't even had to coach him at all, but we get to someone's house, he introduces himself, he works hard, he talks to them, asks them about their life, and so really excited about that. And it's gonna be great because my goal for 2026 is to get the amount of time that I'm in the field down to 25% compared to what it is now, because that allows me to go out, get more quotes done, get more business, do more sales, and work on the business instead of working in it. So that's my second piece. I've been seeing some comments lately. They're like, dude, you gotta delegate, you gotta hire. And I'm like, you're right. And I've enjoyed it. I've seen, I've maximized the days I've had him out there. We've done double the amount of work that I could do by myself. And so that has been great. So that is piece number 2 that I'm gonna lean into over the next 6 months, really hard to try to grow the revenue for my business. And point number 3 is this. I know that this part is so important, and up till now, my marketing has basically been boots on the ground, right? Referrals, door hangers, postcards, organic social media, a little bit of social media ads, but now I am partnering with a guy to really step up my SEO, really get my search engine optimization game up, and get me ranking on Google a lot better, sending out thousands of cold emails to commercial businesses, just really stepping up my game, getting my website a little bit more wired in, and really stepping up my game online marketing wise, because I know how important it is, how crucial it is. And it's July, because right now I am turning my sights toward Christmas lights. I have a huge goal for Christmas lights this year that I'll talk about in another video, but that is gonna be crucial to landing more Christmas light jobs. I think ultimately I'm looking for 50 new custom Christmas light jobs, and we'll talk dollar amounts later. Having a better online marketing presence is going to be something that I'm really aiming at, and that is the third thing that I am going to hit hard. It's raining again. And so those are the 3 things that I am going to lean into over the next 6 months really hard, is making sure I'm maximizing my relationship with Jobber and how I use my CRM. Secondly, hiring, which is great. That's connected to Jobber. I'm making him an account, and so he can log in, see where his work is for that day, and then literally clock in and out. And thirdly, my SEO, my online marketing, really gonna step it up, gonna invest into that, and go from there. And I'm excited because I foresee a lot of growth over the next 6 months, and I've got a lot of big goals going into 2026. And so all the seeds that I'm sowing right now over the next 3 to 6 months, I'm hoping to reap the rewards of those in 2026. And so hopefully this could be a fun thing for you to watch as I document this journey of going from just solo owner operator to really running a business, learning the best I can to get plugged into my city, getting more big accounts, and going from there. So if it is, like and subscribe, and as always, a little plug for myself. I do personal coaching, just overall, just if you're trying to make the jump from your career, your job, get out of the cubicle and start your own home service business. I do some simple coaching there to just help you get started, and how to get to that 40, 80K range. And so if you're interested in that, you can check out my link for that as well. One other piece, by the way, is, I do workout videos too sometimes. I just signed up for the High Rocks competition. If you don't know what that is, check it out, Google it. But in November, I'm gonna be doing the High Rocks competition, and so gonna start training hard, gonna start working out hard for it. Just another fun goal, kind of hobby that's outside of just business, and so I'll talk more about that too. So excited about the competition, and then just closing thoughts here, like, this isn't just some big money grab. It's wanting to make an impact. I want to hire guys that I can help in their life, right? Pay them well, help them see some vision for their life, and maybe that could lead to really cool things like them being general managers of different branches that we eventually open up, right? But also for me, it's like, yeah, like I want to have the challenge of seeing how big and effective I can build something, while also for sure like making more money and being able to live and give like nobody else, right? And so that is what I want to do. So I love Dave Ramsey's quote where he says, live like no one else so later you can live and give like no one else. So like I want to put my head down, be disciplined, work hard, grow my business so I can do that, right? That is something I'm really excited about. One other thing about the whole business, I talk sometimes about how I move at the speed of cash. Right now, that's still the way it is. Like I don't have any loans, don't have business loans, anything like that. If that ever changes, I'll let you know, because I'm always interested in how guys scale their business, you know, to that, from that 500K to million to tens of millions. Like, hey, what did it take? Did you move at the speed of cash? Did you use loans? And so that's just a little caveat that if I ever change the way that I do it, I will share that with you. But I think this would be really cool if in the next 3 to 5 years you follow along on this whole journey. We see where we end up and how it can help you in your business, whatever business it is that maybe you're running. I think in some types of ways I'm going to learn a lot that could be beneficial for you. But with all that said, those are the 3 major things that I'm just setting 6-month goals at, and those are the systems that I'm going to work on really strengthening, really building, and believing that I'm going to see some massive momentum as we wrap up 2025, head into 2026. So in the meantime, enjoy the here while you're working to get there.